Hey guys, this is Anne from designopage.com. In today's video, you will learn about how to add shop button to your Facebook page and drive traffic to your website or a e-com store where you may be selling digital products like ebooks or a graphic or animation design product or physical product like garment, home decor, shoes, etc. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your Facebook profile and go to your Facebook page. Click on the Add a button below your Facebook page cover. This is where you can add a link to your website, shop page, or e-com store where Facebook users can visit to shop. Next, in the pop-up window, you can click Shop with You button option and again select the Shop Now option. In the next pop-up window, select Website option and enter the URL of your website or e-com store and save it if you wish Facebook users to shop on it. And you have finished the process of setting up shop button linked to your website or e-com store. Now let's click shop button on the Facebook page here. And here I am on my e-com website. With this we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe and like, comment and share our YouTube videos if you like them, and do not forget to click the bell icon to get video updates notified. Thank you.